Investing for beginners, where to start? Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Saving Sense 106, and today we're diving into a topic that can change your financial future, investing for beginners, where to start. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the world of investing, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down together, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our financial tips. Step number 1, understanding the basics. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is investing? In simple terms, investing means putting your money to work for you. Instead of just saving your money in a bank account, you invest it in things like stocks, bonds, or real estate, aiming to grow your wealth over time. Remember, the goal of investing is to build long-term wealth, not to get rich overnight. Step number 2, setting your goals. Next up, let's talk about setting your financial goals. Before you invest a single dollar, it's crucial to know what you're investing for. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe your child's education? Clear goals will help you decide where to invest and for how long. Step number 3, understanding risk tolerance. Now, let's discuss your risk tolerance. This is all about understanding how much risk you're comfortable taking with your investments. Typically, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Are you someone who can handle the ups and downs of the stock market, or do you prefer more stable, lower-risk investments like bonds? Knowing this will help you choose the right mix of investments. Step number 4, building a diversified portfolio. Alright, you've got your goals and you know your risk tolerance. Now it's time to build a diversified portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. The idea is that if one investment performs poorly, others might do well, balancing out your overall returns. Step number 5, starting small and growing over time. Many beginners think they need a lot of money to start investing, but that's a myth. You can start with small amounts and gradually increase your investments as you get more comfortable. There are plenty of platforms that allow you to start with just a few dollars. The key is consistency. Regularly investing, even small amounts, can grow significantly over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Step number 6, continuous learning and staying informed. Investing is a journey, not a one-time event. The financial world is always changing, so it's important to stay informed and keep learning. Follow financial news, read books, and consider subscribing to reputable investment newsletters. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Alright, future investors, that wraps up our beginner's guide to investing. Remember, the most important step is just to start. Set your goals, know your risk tolerance, diversify your portfolio, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!